All right, what's up, gang? Back at it again. All right, now we have learned that chemistry study matter, and matter is anything that have mass and take up volume. And matter is divided into pure substance and a mixer. All right, so we talk about mixture. So we have uniform and not uniform. The uniform one we call homogeneous mixture, and the not uniform one is heterogeneous. Now we're going to move on to the other side, the pure substance, which is consists of one substance. Okay, pure substance are can be divided into two groups. We have an element, we have the compound. Right, for an element, you cannot break them down or separate them any further with physical process. For example, grinding, cutting, distilling, boiling. You can make it any smaller than that. For example, if you grind up iron to a small particle, those are still iron. You can't separate them any further than that. All right, using physical process. We have argon, gold, hydrogen gas, oxygen gas, nitrogen gas, and helium. Okay, there's much more than that. It's just example. Now, on the other side, we have compound, which is basically multiple elements in it. For example, carbon dioxide got a carbon, got an oxygen. Water got a hydrogen and oxygen in it. Okay, so pure substance, we have element and a compound. Element, just one element. Compounds are multiple elements. All right, so the whole thing here matters, right? Anything that takes has mass and takes up volume. We have pure substance and a mixer, one substance and multiple substances. For the mixer, we have the keyword. What's the keyword again? Uniform. So we have homogeneous, everything uniform, and heterogeneous, not uniform. Pure substance, okay, divided into element and compound. So element, just one element. Compound, multiple elements. All right, concept test. Okay, which of the following is an element? Shouldn't be that hard. That right there, chlorine. So chlorine is element. The rest has multiple elements, so they are compounds. Okay. Some of you said, hey, hold on, chlorine got two chlorine in it. Well, but it just by itself is not multiple elements, right? Multiple element is called compound. They just by itself, so it is an element. Okay, you will learn it later. Chlorine is a type of element we call diatomic element, where they exist in pair. We have oxygen gas, nitrogen gas, fluorine gas. Those exist in pair. Hydrogen gas also as an example. Now, which of the following is not an element? Which one? Iodine, totally an element. Ce is cerium, also an element. Totally, Cl and F. All right, sulfur, those just one element. Okay, all right, just a little bit about atom and molecules. Give me 1 second. Okay, atom. So just the definition of an atom or an element. So atom is the smallest representation of an element. Okay, so we have all this right here. They exist as monoatomic element: lithium, sodium, potassium, calcium, beryllium, magnesium. On the right side, we have a boron, aluminum. In the middle, we have iron right here, chromium right here. All right, these exist as just one element, just like one particle. So we call monoatomic elements. Some of them exist in pair. We have hydrogen gas, nitrogen gas, oxygen, fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine gas. So we call diatomic molecules. Right. Actually, bromine exists in as a liquid form, and iodine exists in a solid form. They are diatomic molecules, and we also have these phosphorus. They come in four, right? We call polyatomic molecules now. There are two main types of phosphorus. We have the white phosphorus and the red phosphorus. Okay, some of you are Breaking Bad fan. I'm not sure anyone here. This probably I don't remember, like probably the first, at the end of the first season where Walter White have like some kind of particle. He said on the show, well, don't quote me on it, this has been a while, but he said something like there's a phosphorus, it's a white phosphorus, and he throw it into the floor and just explode. Okay, in reality, white phosphorus is less reactive than the red phosphorus, and the red phosphorus actually the one that can undergo explosion or right here. So you're probably familiar with the match, right? That's just swipe. It's just a little bit heat can convert red phosphorus to white phosphorus. Okay, so the more explosive, the explosive one is supposed to be rare. So I think that the thing that he hold in his hand, that's probably the red phosphorus, not the white phosphorus that he said on a TV show. Okay, all right, that's phosphorus. So as an example of polyatomic molecules, we also have sulfur, comes in 8 atoms. Okay, in a molecules, not just an atom. All right. Go to the next video. Talk about the atom and molecules.